Today we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. This phone has been garnering significant attention in the market, so let's dive into the top 5 reasons why you should consider getting one. Don't forget to check out the link to the phone in the description below. It boasts a gorgeous 6.55-inch AMOLED dot display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This means you get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, playing games, or simply browsing the web, this display is a visual treat. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G processor, the Mi 11 Lite delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. With up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of room for your apps, photos, and videos. The Mi 11 Lite packs a triple camera setup featuring a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro lens. This versatile camera system allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in various conditions. Whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, or close-up shots, this phone delivers impressive results. It is a true beauty with its sleek design and lightweight body. It fits comfortably in your hand and pocket, making it the perfect companion on the go. The phone is available in a range of stylish colors to suit your personal taste. Fueling all these amazing features is a 4250 mAh battery that can easily get you through the day. And when it's time to recharge, the 33 watts fast charging technology gets you back to full power in no time. 5 compelling reasons why you should consider the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. With its stunning display, powerful performance, impressive camera, sleek design, and long-lasting battery, this phone offers excellent value for money. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more and grab yours today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.